Hello, I am going to show you how to make a mob grinder. So, this is mine. I'm just going to turn it off peaceful. Okay, so basically works, there's a mob spawner in there. I put water, obviously, and then I dug a huge hole down here. Well, not really huge, it's actually pretty tiny, but it's deep. And it's actually 23 blocks, so they'll fall down 23 blocks, and then they'll have half a heart left. So all you have to do is go down there and kill them. So I'm just gonna wait for a zombie to pop up. Shouldn't take long. There we go. And it'll come down here. And then it'll see me and try to get me, so it'll walk forward. And gone. So just fell down there. And you can make this really simple, like this one, or you can make it get really complicated using pistons and stuff. So, what the heck? Oh, why is it so dark in here? Well, whatever, and then you hit him, and there's your XP. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. Just let me go to my world right here. So I just put in the same seed, and you can check what my seed and my coordinates are. So just stay like this for a second. Okay. This is what you do. You need a bucket of water, and you put one bucket here, and the rest of the bucket there. Block off here and here. You don't need to use wood, obviously. Block it like that. Like this. And then you dig down 23 blocks. And this will be your collection thing. So you cover that up right. No, you dig down one more. But you leave the zombies where they are, and you can make some ladders to go up. But then I have to make my way up. So this is pretty much done. You just have to make a little thing for you to stand in right here. So I'm gonna go cover the top up right now. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna turn it already on normal, and I'll let one spawn. Oh, there's one. It'll come towards me, fall down there. You can just go right down here. Where did it go? I think 23 blocks might be a little too high. So just make it go up a little bit more. And that should be good. So I'll go back up there. The reason you have to go up there to make them come down is because they won't spawn. Oh, there we go. Unless you're 15 blocks. from them. So he's right here. Yeah, 3 hits, dead, and you got your XP. So, yeah, once again, this is the seed and coordinates. And, yeah, so I'll just show you where you go. You don't need it. I'll just show you where you spawn and how you get to that monster spawner. You spawn near right here. This is actually really cool because this whole thing's stone. Yeah, you spawn like right here or something, and you just go up here, fly straight from here, and you'll have a monster spawner. And right here. Okay, well, that's how you make a mob spawner. Goodbye.